Hello my YouTube friends. Today I am going to show you my new project that I am working on. This project was inspired by this book, Knitted Gardens by Jan Messent. It was published 30 years ago in 1991. This artist created a garden which is fully knitted. Everything, plants, houses, people are knitted. I decided to follow his steps, but instead of knitting, I will be doing my garden using many techniques. I will use tiny glass vegetables, leaves and trees made with beads, with felt, and the technique will be needle felting. I have already started my project, so today I will show you some of the materials I will be using, some of the vegetables and fruit I already bought and doing myself. So let's start. As the base for my garden, I will use these identical foams, and the size of the garden will be 2 by 3 feet. I will place both foams in a box specifically designed and built, and that box will have wheels so it will be easier to move this future garden. I will use this felt sheet to cover my foam, and this felt will serve as the base for all my flower beds, vegetable beds, orchard, and so forth. One part of my garden will be a kitchen garden, so let me show you some vegetables that I will, so to speak, grow in my garden. I will create vegetable beds and bushes, tomato bushes and cucumber vines and eggplants bushes and pepper bushes, using many techniques, including, as I said, beads, felting, and so much more. I will also have beetroots and leeks in my kitchen garden. I will also have an orchard, and I have a few varieties of trees: lemon tree, pear tree, orange tree, apple tree, and maybe some more. And the trunks will be done with real branches of real trees. I will also have grape vines, and the leaves are done from velvet fabric. I am also planning to use these beautiful beads in the shape of mushrooms somewhere in my rest or entertaining area. In my rest or entertaining area, there will be bushes, flower beds, and trees like this. This is an unfinished rose bush in a pot. It will be also situated around the rest area. For my paths and patio, I will use these felt sheets. First, I will decorate them with wool using needle felting technique, like that. Well, this is all I have so far for this project. I planned my garden, and as I said, I will have 3 sections. One section will be a kitchen garden with around 10 vegetables. I will divide the kitchen garden from my orchard. In my orchard, I will have apple trees, pear trees, lemon trees, orange trees, grapevines, and maybe something else. The third portion of the garden will be the rest area or entertainment area, where different trees and bushes and flower beds will be located. Probably in this area I will have a fountain and something interesting. I invite you to join me for future videos on the development of this wool and bead garden project.